Hey y'all, it's been a while. It's the Nappy Life here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been well. As you can see, I have a new style. What y'all think? I'm about to take it out soon. I didn't want it this short. I actually wanted like an asymmetrical bob down here. Thought it would be cuter, but this grew on me, and so I'm keeping it in for a little bit longer. But next time I go, I'm definitely getting it longer. But it was cute still. It was a little do. It was cute. But I know it's been quite a while because I have been doing shorts on here, but not really long form videos. And I feel like this is a bit more personal. And I want to get into sharing some lock tips. I feel like I know what I've been doing now since it's been 5.5 years and I've been maintaining my locks myself 99% of the time. So I figured I'd start making some lock tips for those of you who want to start your locks or who maintain your locks on your own. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to prevent buildup in your locks. I recently went to the salon, like I said, to get my hair done, but I added a apple cider vinegar detox to my wash. I figured since I do it when I wash my hair, I might as well do it at salon and not skip that step because I'm so deathly afraid of buildup. And while she was doing the apple cider vinegar rinse, I think she did the apple cider vinegar and baking soda detox, or like she was attempting to do it. But while she was doing it, she was like, "Your hair is so clean. When was the last time you got a detox?" And I'm like, "Detox? I just use apple cider vinegar when I wash my hair." And she's like, "Yeah, you don't need this detox. Your hair is really clean." And I was like, okay, so I'm doing something right. I'm on the right track. So I figured I'd share some tips with you on how I've prevented buildup over these 5.5 years that I've been locked. So when I started my locks, my biggest concern was buildup. So in the beginning, I didn't use any products in my hair. I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and I think I twisted my hair with butter. But after that, when it came time to wash and retwist, I would wash my hair with shampoo, skip the conditioner, retwist with oil or flaxseed gel, and that was my routine. And eventually I stopped using the flaxseed gel because it was leaving flakes in my hair, and I just retwisted with oil. But as time went on, I realized the oil alone wasn't doing anything to keeping my hair locked. So I transitioned to using products, and I would try certain products and they would leave like residue in my hair. I think I tried the Jamaica Mango and Lime Gel and the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil, or Black Castor Oil or African Black Soap Lined Gel, and that left residue in my hair also. And finally found a gel that I liked and I didn't feel like left buildup in my hair. And I'll put a link to that video showing you the reviews. But another issue that I had, because I was just using shampoo and oil to retwist, was the fact that my hair was dry all the time because I wasn't using anything in it but those two products, shampoo and oil. And so I started trying conditioner, and I felt like that made my locks feel heavy. So I stopped that, and then I made my lock spray. I think I shared a recipe with you all on this channel. I'll post that video also. So I've tried a variety of different things when it comes to maintaining my locks, but the tips I'm going to share with you are what I've been sticking with and what has been keeping my hair clean, but also like moisturized. So the first tip is to avoid wax, heavy butters, or heavy creams in your hair because it's hard to wash out. If you want to condition your hair, I would say that's fine, but make sure that you're, detoxing regularly or you're washing it out properly. The only products I use in my hair now are shampoo, the water-based spritz leave-in that I made, oil, and the gel that I made. I didn't make that gel. I bought that gel. And the Loc Retwist gel. And the oil I concentrated on my scalp because it's castor oil based. But if I were to put some oil on the shaft of my locks, I'll use a lighter oil like jojoba oil. So 1, avoid heavy butter-based, cream-based, wax-based products. Throw those out. Don't use those. Number 2, wash your hair regularly. And I will say that I wash my hair like every 3 weeks regularly. Even if I don't retwist, I'll still wash my hair. The reason being is that I sweat from exercising, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping my scalp clear and free of any oil buildup from sebum production or whatever you want to call it. So I wash my hair every 3 weeks, and during that wash day, I shampoo, and I also use apple cider vinegar in my hair. So number 2 is regular washes. Number 3 is incorporate some kind of detox into your routine. For me, it's the apple cider vinegar rinse, and I do that every time I wash, every 3 weeks. I put maybe like a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar and maybe like 1 or 2 cups of water, and I spritz it on my hair, work it into my scalp, spritz it on the shaft of my locks, work it in, and then wash it out in the shower. And then I shampoo, dry my hair, use my my water-based leave-in spray, and then I will put my hair in 2-strand twist after I retwist, or if it's not a retwist day, then I'll just dry it and leave it, or put it in, braid it, and then wear it in a braid out, or whatever the case may be. But that is my routine. And if I condition because I feel like it's dry, then I'll condition like every 3 months or something. And that's just my preference. I do it based on how my hair feels. Tip number 4, wear a bonnet to bed at all times. I feel like the times that I have forgotten to wear a bonnet, I have had lint all over my head. So it's not worth it to leave your hair uncovered before bed. Wear a bonnet, wear a bonnet, wear a bonnet. And tip number 5 is to brush your locks. Brush out the lint, because that's one type of buildup that you cannot get out of your locks. You cannot wash it out. You can't detox it out. It stays in there forever because it's not dirt. It's lint. So it's like embedded in the lock. So brush your hair on a regular, like couple times a week, 3 to 4 times a week, to brush out the lint, especially during the winter months when you're wearing like heavy sweaters or jackets that may have cotton or wool. That stuff gets in your hair all the time. If you have pets, it's important, because even if they're like short hair dogs or you clean up after them regularly, there's no way you're gonna get up every single stitch of dog hair. Like, some of that will get in your hair as well. I have 2 dogs, I know, and I clean up after them regularly. So brush your locks, because lint, wool, cotton, dog hair, all that stuff can get stuck in your locks. And sometimes with the lint that's embedded in your lock, you can see it, like, and it looks like dirt, but it's not dirt. You can't wash it out. You literally have to pick it out. And sometimes it's like so far in there that you have to you're combing out your lock while you're trying to get the lint out. Some people have gone as far as to dye the lint. I know they make products for that. I can't tell you what it is. I've never tried it. But I do have some lint buildup in the back of my hair, where my hair is most likely to touch on my shirts or my jackets or my sweaters. But everywhere else is fine. It's just in the back. So that's not really visible. And I guess an extra tip number 6 is to wear, I don't want to call it a protective style because I guess that's what it would be. Wear styles where your locks are up off your shoulders, up off your clothes, especially during the winter months when they're likely to rub on your jackets or your sweaters or your scarves. So wear a head wrap, wear 2-strand twists like this where you wrap it up and you don't really like wear the length down. Wear a bun, whatever it is, a protective style that keeps your locks off your clothes. But anyways, that's it. I don't have buildup from dirt. I have some lint buildup in the back that's not really visible. I wear a bonnet to bed every night. I brush my locks. I keep my products light and simple. I don't put a whole bunch of stuff in my hair. I've never colored my locks, anything like that. You could do all those things, of course, but I'm just sharing with you what has worked for me as far as keeping my locks buildup free and healthy and happy for these 5.5 years. But anyways, that's all I have for today. Let me know if you find these tips helpful. Let me know what you do to take care of your locks and to prevent buildup. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully soon. Bye.